So we got some packages in today. Obviously, that you can see what that one is. But we'll start with this guy. Let's see what we got. Some of this might not be RC stuff, but that's okay too. What's that one? Might just be cool stuff.
Is this for like your phone or something?
I don't know what it is. Open them up. I don't know what I ordered. Oh, these are sanders for doing work on the cars. That's a battery tester, so I can test my AA's and get rid of the old ones. These are all dollar specials. Ooh, I was waiting for that. I think all this stuff cost me $8. Got a glue gun. Got a file transfer card. Oh, this is a holder for the phone. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Hold this for a second. So this is supposed to hold your phone on your desk. So I can get.
Is that wire going to be tight enough to?
I don't know.
Our phones are big.
Where's this guy?
Yeah, that's the part that holds your phone.
So this is the part that goes on. Again, these are all $1.99 things, but it's worth trying them out to see if they're worth a damn. Okay, that's not going to hold crap. But what does this hold?
Is your phone supposed to be on?
Maybe I got this back.
Maybe I think that might be the desk. That might be the desk clamp.
No, that's the phone clamp.
Are you sure?
So you can put the phone in there. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, you might be right. Okay. Yeah.
No, I think that looks like it would be the desk clamp.
It does, but I think
if that works better,
think this is the desk clamp.
I think it is too because it goes on like that.
So then, let's see if we can put this in here.
It's gonna be your phone so heavy.
It holds it. Holds it up. Oh, what a piece of crap.
This works if your phone weighs
nothing.
Look at what's in here.
All right. Yeah, so that's that. That's a bunch of cheap stuff. What else is in there? Oh, this is an outdoor.
Oh, is this another string of those lights?
Yeah, that's for you. That's for your room. So this is another LED string for $1. This is an outdoor security light, motion detected. So I wanted to see what one. They looked a lot bigger online, but again, these are all dollar items. Okay, now on to the good stuff.
What?
Let's start with the Rlaarlo. Now, here's the thing with Rlaarlo. They copied WL, in my opinion, which is WL copied as well. But these things are ridiculously expensive. So I found a guy that was getting eBay returns, and I think I paid this one. I think I paid $25 for, if that. I don't remember exactly. I have to look to make sure. But that's the only way I would buy this. You know, I wouldn't buy this normally. We're too cheap. Cut all your bottoms off. This is already previously open, so hopefully it runs. This one was a single car. He sells lots of 4 and 5 at a time, and stuff like that. But I wanted to get one just to have one the same. It's supposed to be like I'm just not a big Rlaarlo fan. I don't like. Man, this thing's brand new. This is not used. Comes with battery.
Ooh,
Yeah, it's good stuff. Shock mount parts. They're known for having extras. Accessory pack looks like somebody opened it, so somebody did. It's got the arms feel weaker than the WL. That don't mean much. Got an extra set of dog bones. Got a front bumper never taken out. Man, yeah, it's never. I don't think this has been used. It's got very similar body clips to the 12008.
that's real loose.
Yeah. Doesn't look like there's any scratches on my hand. I gotta hold the camera right. Doesn't look like there's any scratches on this at all. I don't think this was used. Ooh, that drops nice.
This is like the only thing that gives away that
Yeah,
I use.
the sticker was taken off.
I
the top.
do. That feels pretty
Nice.
good. It feels pretty
I
good.
heard the controllers are pretty good.
I like the red to it.
And I heard that you can. It's not a bad deal. Let's see what the inside looks like real quick. See if everything came
It's a 3
intact.
clipper.
Yeah, no battery in there, but we do have a battery there with the charger. And this is a brushed. That's a big can.
Yeah, it is. That's the first thing I noticed was that it was like.
That's a big can.
Oh,
I'm holding this upside down the whole time, so remind me I have to flip this around later. But I dig it. We're gonna have to get this on the track later. I like the wheels. Little spacer things in there.
yeah, you get extras. I think there's like there's a bag with like a bunch of extras. So.
Yeah, I dig it. We'll have to see how it compares. We'll get it out with the WL. Not sure I like or dislike that wing yet. So, all right, we got one more package. I'm going to stop and restart so I can turn this around. Here's our last box. Now, this is a mystery box. I don't have any idea what this is. Oh, wow. So, I guess I got 2 more cars.
These are blue.
These are not Rlaarlo. They are Amoril. But I think they're made by Rlaarlo. Wow. I don't think I ordered these.
You got a blue and a cyan. They're 2 different colors.
Oh, cool. Cool. That's really cool.
Your order April 27th, 2023.
Oh, maybe I did order. April 27th. That's not me. That's been on one of these. All right, so we got.
I think it probably fell off.
All right, well, let's open these up. So we got a matching set of these to run later. Free stuff, free stuff. Oh my goodness, I think these are brand new.
Yeah, the tail isn't even attached.
Yeah. Well, they might have to take it off the packet. That's it.
Yeah, this is definitely used
bumper.
a little bit. They put all the stuff in the plastic bag. But yeah,
it's got all similar parts to Rlaarlo. That's another brush one. But see, here's a nice thing about these. They're 3-pin, so we can upgrade these a lot easier.
Let's see if the controller is somewhere. It's literally the same. It even has the colors on there. Handle. It's basically the same. It feels just good.
Shocks are nice.
There's a battery for it right there.
Yep. And this has got the name on it.
The shocks are nice. They feel.
The shocks are real nice.
They look
Move
cool
that box.
too. I like.
Move that box on top.
Ooh, that is pretty nice.
Oof.
Oh my goodness, we're not even ordering these.
I didn't order these. I did not order these. Well, maybe I did. I don't think I did though. I think. Well, maybe I didn't read the description right. Because I got this. Well, he was selling batches of 5 and 10 of these at a time. Like he had a bunch of these, you know. But we'll have to test these out. These are unknown. They might work. They might not. We'll have to look at the last one. I'll put a link in the description. I think it's Jazz 4 something on eBay. It's a really good dude. He's moving some products from Massachusetts.
Ooh, I like that color.
And there's a cyan color. This one was definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it still looks like pretty good.
Yep. Yep. Batteries in it. It's half plugged in. Jeez.
But the clips are in the bottom too, so it's got the clips.
And then it's a 3-pin as well. The red ones are not 3 pins. They're the 5 pins. You can't upgrade. So that'll be our stock Rlaarlo. And then these are the Amoril, which I believe are, I don't know, I'll have to look up more on them. But I dig it. Lord.
You got 3 new cars?
I know, I don't know what to do. Maybe they sent them to me because they like me. I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you when I see you. We'll get these things charged up and get them running.
You can unplug the light now.
Here's a closer look at the Rlaarlo. This is the base model, brushed. That's the ones I like to buy anyways, because I personally like brushed better than brushless when it comes to these little guys. The ESCs have been way too inconsistent with these companies. You know, you go cheap and then they just cog and they run like shit. But this feels like it's brand new, like nothing's wrong with it. So this is the brush version. Let me get a battery hooked up to her and see if it runs at all. Like I said, this is a return on Amazon return. So we'll test them one at a time. Put some batteries in the controller for me, babe.
Okay, where's the controller?
Right here.
I only have cheap batteries, but still have to do.
Well, you take them out of one of the controllers. Take them out of this one. I just want you to put them in so we can test this out. So this is the Rlaarlo, which is a copy of the 144001. This is the aluminum chassis. I'm going to tell you, these plastics don't feel as rubbery as the WLs. I don't know if they're supposed to be the same, but they got part numbers on them, so they're probably not. I'll compare these. I think John Robertson, he does a good job. He's a Rlaarlo guy or whatever, so he has a good comparison of what goes where. Now this ESC looks like it's half busted and whatnot, so I'm not like assuming this is going to be awesome, but we'll see what happens. Well, power's up. And now, let me see that.
That's the unbox. Ooh, that looks so
That
weird.
seems to work.
It looks like the wheels are like.
I think it's backwards. Yeah, there you go. That's better. Now their dog bones are a lot thicker than the WL. Oh, this thing runs right off the get. Okay, so I wouldn't call it a speed demon. Oh, and it looks like everything's in reverse. Oh, look at that. That's insane. Okay, so we'll have to get this out on the track, but it works. We'll try out one of the Amorils next. Let's look a little closer on the box before we do that. So you can see this is the Rlaarlo. Again, this is the 114 scale, 540 brushed. Very simple packaging. And it also, it's ready to run. And let me look and see what I paid for this. This is ridiculous. I'll put a link in the description of this guy's site because it's freaking awesome. Okay, I paid $46. That's with shipping. So, and again, I don't like the carbon fiber version, so this is a good base unit to start with. And everything appears to be functioning. I'll get it on the track and verify, but this guy doesn't really test them or nothing. He just kind of says, hey, potluck, I get 4 or 5 cars in a lot, and that's probably what this is. So the Amoril will be the same. So we'll take that out really quick. Oh, it moves. It moves. All right, so let's move on to the next one. It's going to be one of these guys. E2. This is the second box. This is supposed to be all oil-filled shocks. And I am going to tell you that they seem to be constructed very well. We're going to have to put that on.
Why don't we do this one?
What? We got to test them all.
Yeah.
So you got to put the batteries. My daughter's helping me with all this, so switch the batteries out. I'll test these diagrams decent. Now these Amorils, I don't know much about them. Every time they keep calling them Rlaarlos, so I don't know if they really are. they use a 3-pin servo, so they're easier upgrades. I don't know if the later Rlaarlos do that, but if I'm saying that right. But everything else looks identical other than the 3-pin versus the, which is kind of cool. So, and I do like the shocks. I like everything about it. Right now, we're just testing to make sure they work, you know. And if they do, we'll get them out on the track. I got my fingers crossed. This is car number 2. Power's on. Let me mess with the... Oh yeah, I like that wheel better. I like the wheel better. So I can't do one-handed, which kind of stinks. But it'd be nicer if they had moved it back a little. But oh buddy. So we'll get these out and speed test them and put them through the ringers as if they were new, because these are pretty much new and the tires don't even look used. So I don't know what the heck. I don't see anything wrong with it. And again, this is a metal chassis. It looks like it's got a scuff on it, so maybe it's used for a trade show or a demo unit or something. Who knows? You know how that stuff goes. It's got nice. I dig it. All right, we got one more to try out, and then this video will be done. All right, we'll get the last one out. You gotta switch your batteries too. Put all these guys away. And these come with all the extras. You know, they come with the extra bumpers, you know, all that goofy stuff. Not sure I'll use any of it ever. But we got 3 new cars for $46. And they're brand spanking new. I told you I was cheap, you guys. Alright. Is that this one? Okay. I'm trying to keep everything together so I don't mix the parts up in case there is a problem with one. So this is 2 for 2. This is Rlaarlo. Alright, so this is the 3rd one, which I think is the Aqua Cyan. Huh. There's this packet. It hasn't even been opened yet. The battery's half in there already, so that must have been run somewhere. Clips are in here. Where's the controller? Oh, you already got batteries in it? Alright. So, Lauren's already ready to go for me. Oh, look at that. Hit the gas. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, so I'll get these default batteries. Now, the ones I've seen like this always have a little more punch. The XLF 650 used to sell these. They didn't say Rlaarlo on them or Amoril on them like these ones do. Actually, that's what those look like. So, 180 milliamp. Again, I got all 3 of these cars for $46 shipped. Absolutely insane. You can't even buy one WL for that. And I'll be honest, these shocks are pretty nice. They're sold as used. I'll put the link in the description. But freaking A, I can't wait to get these out on the track. All right. Hell yeah. I like the win. I'll take them when I get them. See you in a few. Like and subscribe.